A warm welcome to you. In this meditation today, we'll gently shift our focus from any dark energy of anxiety and instead open ourselves to nourishing light energy. Settle into a comfortable position, allowing your body to soften and gently relax into the support beneath you. Whether you're sitting with a relaxed spine or lying down, take a moment to truly feel yourself becoming present in this space, right here, right now. Gently close your eyes or simply soften your gaze. Let's begin by simply noticing your breath. We'll learn to anchor ourselves right here, right now, with your breath as a constant guide. Take a slow, deep inhale, feeling the gentle, natural rise of your chest. And as you slowly exhale softly through your mouth, just release. Continue to breathe in this way effortlessly, without force or judgment. Each inhale is a fresh invitation to be here. Each exhale, a gentle surrender into this moment. Now gently bring your awareness to the space all around you. Imagine, feel, or simply know that there is a soft, radiant light, a peaceful energy always surrounding you. This light is pure and expansive and unconditionally supportive. As you take your next deep breath in, invite that light energy into your body. Imagine it beginning as a warm, gentle cascade at the very top of your head. And as you exhale, allow that light to spread, washing down over your face, softening your brow, relaxing your jaw. With each inhale, draw more of this vibrant light and energy in, letting it fall all over you. Feel it moving down into your neck and shoulders, melting away any tension there. It flows down your arms, through your hands, and to the tips of your fingers. Feel the gentle warmth and soft illuminating glow. Your breath is your anchor, and this light is your constant source of peace. Continue to breathe, guiding this peaceful light energy through your chest, softening your heart space. Place your hands on your heart and let the light linger here for a moment, filling you with a sense of compassion and quiet gratitude for this very breath, this very moment. Now feel it gently relaxing your core, bringing a sense of spaciousness and ease. Let it flow into your hips, your thighs, your knees, continuing down through your shins and ankles to the soles of your feet and out through your toes. Your entire being is now filled and surrounded by this calming light and supportive energy. You are anchored here, fully present, grounded in this light-filled moment. If thoughts of the past or worries about the future try to arise, that's okay. Simply acknowledge them like soft clouds passing gently in the sky. There's no need to stop them. Just let them be. Gently guide your attention back to your breath and to the continuous feeling of this light energy within you and all around you. Let's take a few moments now to simply rest in this feeling, to fully absorb the gift of calm you have brought to yourself. Feel the gentle rhythmic movement of your breath as it flows in and out, renewing you with each cycle. You are enough and whole in this peaceful space you've created. And now, as we gently begin to bring our awareness back, slowly wiggle your fingers and toes. Listen to the sounds around you, gently bringing your awareness back to those surroundings. Know that this light and energy, this unwavering anchor of your breath, is always available to you. You can return to this feeling of peace and presence anytime you need it, simply by closing your eyes and returning to your breath. Wishing you calm mind and body until our next time together.